Hello class, welcome to BA 6020. This is week 1, so I wanted to give a little introduction so that you have an idea of the things we're going to be covering. We have 3 chapters we're going to be covering, Chapter 1, Chapter 2, and Chapter 3. What we're going to be doing is looking at management as a whole. This is in Chapter 1, what are the benefits of management, the 4 principal functions of management, the 7 challenges of being an exceptional manager. We're going to look at the levels and areas of management, the skills that exceptional managers need, the roles that managers must play successfully, and we're going to look at the link between entrepreneurship and management. You'll notice at the end of each chapter there's some key terms used in the chapter. There are some key points that really give you a good overview of the chapter. And there's an understanding the chapter, what do I know? This is where I've taken some of the questions that you'll see on the discussion board. So you will use the text to answer the questions and post them, of course, to the discussion board. So that's Chapter 1. As we go to Chapter 2, now we're looking at management theory. What kind of background should a manager have to be successful? We're going to look at the different viewpoints. The classical viewpoint, the behavioral viewpoint, quantitative viewpoint, and of course the systems viewpoint, which really looks at the organization as a system. The contingency viewpoint, which is interesting because what it's saying is it's dependent on the situation that the manager is in. There's also the quality management viewpoint. And then looking at the learning organization, what is a learning organization and why is it important? As we get into Chapter 3, we're looking at the environment. What kind of environment does a manager work in? So we can see there's the changing work environment, there's ethical responsibilities. We're looking at the stakeholders inside and outside the organization, the ethical responsibilities that you have as a manager, the social responsibilities, and also corporate governance. So these are the first 3 chapters of the book. As I said, they're all set up the same way. So you'll see the chapter information, then you'll see key terms used, key points, understanding the chapter, what do I know? So this is week 1. Read chapters 1, 2, and 3. Listen to the lectures for chapters 1, 2, and 3. Do the match games for chapters 1, 2, and 3. And the discussion board for chapters 1, 2, and 3. Take notes. Start to think about major and key concepts that might be on an exam. I am going to let you use an 8.5 by 11 2-sided page of notes. You can write the notes. Some of you can write very tiny, or you can type them and you can use that when you take the exam. So we've got the first 3 chapters under our belt. Don't panic. As I get done with a week, I am going to put the information out there for you so that you don't have to wait for a certain date for it to be open. It will be open as soon as I finish it, and that'll give you a head start to get started on the coming week, if you get my drift. So I don't want to put this, it doesn't start till this date and it ends at this date. No, we have 8 weeks. We want to get done as soon as we can. Okay? And that'll give you time also to start looking at writing your papers and working on your PowerPoint presentation. As always, let me know if you have any questions. I'm very excited about teaching this class with you this semester. And this is Dr. Meddy signing off. I look forward to hearing from you. Please let me know if you need anything, okay? Thank you, guys. Welcome to the class. This is week 1.